Hello and welcome. Let's start with a simple question. What does it really mean for a child to be ready for school? Most people, parents, grandparents, even teachers, assume school readiness is about knowing the ABCs, counting to 20, maybe even writing their names or recognizing colors. But here's the surprising truth. School readiness is about so much more than academics. It's about a whole set of physical, emotional, social, and cognitive skills that help a child handle the adventure of learning. Think about it. A child can know their letters perfectly, but struggle to sit down, follow directions, or handle frustration. Another child might not know all the numbers yet, but has resilience, curiosity, and the ability to problem solve. And that child is set for success. So, what exactly does readiness include? Physical readiness. Can they manage their body, run, climb, hold a pencil, use scissors? Social and emotional readiness. Can they play with other children, handle small conflict, wait their turn, manage frustration? Cognitive readiness. Can they focus on a task, follow multi-step instructions, think flexibly? And guess what? A lot of these skills develop outside the classroom, in their daily life with you, the parent, and in interacting with other children. In this series, we'll explore the key areas of readiness, share fun examples, and give you practical strategies that you can use at home. And together, we can make sure your child is ready to grow and develop with confidence. Today, we're diving into something that's not always visible, but it's absolutely essential for your child's success in school and in life. It's called theory of mind. Theory of mind is the ability to understand that other people have thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that are different from our own. But, as an example, a child with theory of mind knows that if they take another child's toy, the other child will probably feel sad or angry. This awareness helps children cooperate, show empathy, and navigate friendships. It's what allows a child to say, "Oh, she's sad because she's lost her toy," even if they themselves are feeling happy. It's the beginning of empathy. It's the foundation of cooperation, and it's the key of meaningful communication. Now, why does this matter for school? Because children don't learn in isolation. They learn in groups, they learn from teachers, they learn through relationships. A child with a well-developed theory of mind can work in a team, understand the teacher's instructions, navigate friendships, and resolve conflicts more peacefully. So, how can we help our children develop this powerful skill? It starts with talking. Talk about feelings. Talk about what others might be thinking. Talk about why someone might act a certain way. For example, when reading a story together, you might ask, "What do you think he's thinking right now? Why do you think she did that? How would you feel if that happened to you?" These small questions spark big thinking. They help your child step into someone else's shoes. And that's where empathy begins. You don't need special tools or training, just curiosity and conversation. Every time you talk about emotions, every time you reflect on someone else's perspective, you're helping your child build their social brain. You can also use role-playing games, puppets, or even simple pretend play. These activities help children practice seeing the world through someone else's eyes. And don't forget to model it yourself. When you say things like, "I wonder if Grandma felt lonely today," or "That boy looked upset when he dropped his ice cream," you're showing your child how to think about others. These moments add up. They build emotional intelligence, they build social awareness, and they build readiness for school and for life. So remember, theory of mind isn't just a concept, it's a life skill, and it starts with you. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next chapter in our Learning Readiness series.